Hey guys, welcome to another Minecraft video with Minecraft Builders Bureau. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on the Medieval Watchtower, the very last building in the Medieval series. So we're going to be wrapping that up real quick right here, right now. Alright, so I have a chest here with the materials that you're going to need: oak logs, cobblestones, spruce fence, spruce door, smooth sandstone, spruce stairs, spruce planks, and oak planks to start. We're going to move right in with the oak logs, and we're going to place one here, and then 3 blocks, another, 3 blocks, another, and then down 3 blocks, another, over 3 blocks, another, and over there. So now we have a 9 by 5 structure here, and we're going to actually build each of these up to the 4th one up. Alright, and then we're going to build across and build the frame. Alright, and we're going to go ahead and place cobblestone for the walls. So I'm going to have the door on the left here, and I'm going to have the actual tower on the right side of the building. So for the door frame, you go around it, and for the windows, you go across the bottom, and then 2 on each side. Alright, now that we got all the walls together, you can put in spruce fences for the windows. The reason I'm doing spruce fences instead of glass is just because it's going to look more protected, a little bit more armored than just having glass windows. Alright, next we're going to actually place spruce stairs across the entire front here, and we're going to have an overhang on either end, and we're actually going to do the same thing on the other side here too. Once your overhangs are in place, you're going to go ahead and do a classic gable roof. So you're going to go upside down stair, full block, stair, stair, block, and you're just going to repeat that pattern. At the top you have the upside down stair right in between there, a block on top, and another upside down stair. And we're just going to go ahead and copy that on the other side here. Alright, now that we have the roof layout in place, we're going to have the tower on the right side here. So the left side, we're actually going to fill in the roof, and we're going to go straight across right until you have this face up log. So we're going to be doing this on both sides right here. And at the top, we're going to use spruce planks just to bring this across, and there we go. So now we're on the second section of the tower here, and we're actually going to bring each of these up 3. And then we're going to have them going across for the 4th block up here. And you can see for these, I'm having the face out, and I'm actually having the faces of the logs only showing on the front and back of the building and not on the sides here. So there we go with the faces out, and we can actually just fill this in with cobblestone again on the front and back. Over here at the very edge, we're going to fill it in with sandstone, smooth sandstone that is, and we're going to be putting a spruce fence in there, and we're going to be doing the same thing on the opposing side here, that we're going to pretty much lay out a spruce fence. And of course fill in spruce fences for the cobblestone here. The flooring is going to be out of oak planks, and it's going to be the same level as these horizontal logs, so we're going to go ahead and take care of that. And we'll just put a hole here, and you could put a ladder down here if you'd like. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the next layer here. So actually what we're going to do is we're going to do your classic wall shape that we've been doing out of cobblestone, that big U shape that you have going on. And we're going to be doing that without the logs in the corners here, and you'll see why in a second. So once we have this laid out, instead of having logs in the corners, we're actually going to be doing spruce fences so that the cobblestone still appears to be supported, but we don't have giant logs this high up, so the tower seems to get like a little bit smaller as you go up. We're filling in the window holes on the sides, and then towards the front and back, instead of doing windows, I'm actually going to put in some wool. You could definitely replace it with windows or use wool of whatever color you want. It really doesn't matter. So now we're moving on to the top of the structure, and we're actually going to be going around this whole circle here, or this whole square rather, with upwards facing oak logs here. And once we have those in place, we're going to have a log facing out, or 2 logs facing out, I should say, on each corner. So we have these logs facing outwards right on all the corners here. Alright, we're almost done. We're just going to add on the roof here at the top. So we're going to start from the front of the building, and you're going to be doing the same style roof as usual. you're going to kind of have the roof sitting on these logs that are sticking out, you see. So we do the stair, the upside down stairs, and then we go to block, block, stair, 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 block, block. Just continuing that same pattern going up. And we have finished the layout of the roof here at the front. So let's go ahead and extend this across to the other side. We're going to have it equal with these logs here. And then we're actually going to extend it like a big cross or a big plus over the center of the tower here. And again, we're going to have it equal with the logs below it. Now that we have the front of the frame laid out, we're going to do the back next. And you can pretty much go about doing the back just like you did the front, where you have the roof kind of sitting on top of these logs that are sticking out. They're kind of supports for the entire thing. Okay, and there we go. We have most of the roof laid out now. So now we got to do the sides. The sides aren't that tricky. The only thing is, because of the limitations of stairs, you cannot have curved stairs at the bottom here without another set of stairs attaching to them. So we only have these the stairs that are going to be facing this way towards the center, so they look correct from the front, but from the side they're not going to look quite right, but that's okay. So the way we handle this is we have a stair facing the wrong way, and we just continue the pattern and pretend the stair is facing the right way. And we'll go ahead and do it on the other side here. Again, that first stair is upside down, and you disregard those corner stairs not being quite right. All right, the next step here, we're just going to fill in this floor just to make it easier to do the roof. And I like to fill in the roof on this one from the inside. It just seems to make it easier that you'll just do blocks around exactly as you see how I'm doing it. And then from that point, you'll want to go outside, and you're going to do stairs there to connect that, and then stairs right on top of the blocks. Okay, now that our roof is pretty much complete, we're going to go ahead and add the flag real quick. So you're going to do a spruce plank block on top, then you're going to do 3 fences on top of each other, and then you're going to do the flag. The way I do the flag, I have 1 block out, and then diagonal, and then back, and then a second one. So you have that shape going on. And then for the first 2 blocks, I'll do a second layer underneath. So you have a white and blue flag, or whatever color you want to go with. Now in here on the top layer, you're going to want to get spruce trapdoors and go around as I'm going to the edge, and go ahead and place them. And you can open them up so that they are acting as defenses, or you can keep them down. That's the idea, is that they're kind of customizable if you want it completely up or partially up or however you want it. So I'm going to set them up like that. And then last thing we got to do is get some spruce buttons and go ahead and place them on all the oak log faces that you see. Last but not least, you'll want to remember to fill in the floors as you go. And again, you just want to go along those horizontal logs. And you can see I'm leaving a space for a ladder the whole way up. And that's about it. So now you have a fully functional, ready to go medieval watchtower. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.